Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Freeon is probably one of the most essential accessories for any car owner looking to maintain a fresh and pleasant driving environment, especially during those long commutes or hot summer days, ensuring that every breath you take inside your vehicle is clean and invigorating, making it a worthwhile investment for your comfort and well-being on the road. Number 5. InterDynamics Certified AC Pro R134A Recharge Kit. Introducing the Certified AC Pro R134A Recharge Kit from InterDynamics. It's designed for a simple and effective way to recharge your car's air conditioning system. This kit easily connects standard hoses to self-sealing R134A cans. Enjoy a hassle-free recharge process without the need for special tools. It is compatible with piercing-style recharge hoses and accessory gauges. This makes it a versatile solution for many vehicle AC systems. Please note, this adapter is specifically designed for self-sealing R134A cans. It ensures a secure connection and prevents leaks during use. It can be used with the high-mileage vehicle R134A refrigerant. Keep your AC running smoothly, even in older vehicles. No additional tools are required for this recharge kit. The straightforward design makes AC maintenance accessible to everyone. What we like. This adapter is designed for convenience and ease of use. It connects standard hoses to self-sealing R134A cans without the need for any tools. If you are looking for a simple, no-fuss solution to recharge your car's AC and prefer self-sealing cans, this is a great option for you. What people say. This adapter allows you to use the piercing-style kit with the self-sealing can. This product enabled me to use my old hoses with the new car AC refill cans. Worked perfectly, the very first time. These have strong plastic and when you tap the can everything else just works like it is supposed to. Refilled the AC on a couple of vehicles with no problems at all. Number 4. InterDynamics AC Pro Recharge Gauge and Dispenser. Introducing the AC Pro Recharge Gauge and Dispenser from InterDynamics. It's designed for precise and effortless air conditioning recharging for your vehicle. Featuring an extra-large, easy-to-read gauge, you can ensure accurate charging every time. This makes monitoring the refrigerant level simple and straightforward. The 24-inch charging hose provides ample length, allowing you to easily reach even difficult AC ports. This ensures convenience regardless of your vehicle's layout. Its push-on quick connect coupler allows for simple and secure attachment of the refrigerant hose. Connecting and disconnecting is a breeze. The trigger dispenser is engineered for ease of use, making the recharging process effortless. You can quickly and efficiently restore your car's AC performance. This tool is compatible with both sealed and self-sealing R134A refrigerant cans. It's a versatile solution for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system. What we like. This gauge and hose combo offers precision and reach for your AC recharge. The extra-large gauge ensures accurate readings, and the 24-inch hose can easily reach difficult ports. If you value accuracy and need a longer reach for your AC service, this is the tool for you. What people say. The gauge and hose fit perfectly, and I was able to recharge the AC gas in my vehicle without any issues. The instructions were easy to follow, and the whole process took less than 15 minutes. The gauge gave accurate readings, and the hose connected securely. This is a must for a DIYer. The SS braided hose for durability looks nice too. Quick connect is metal as well and snaps on and releases easy. Larger easy to read gauge. Easy to use finger lever. Protective housing around gauge. Compatible with self-sealing and non-self. The gauge will hold closed if no can on the other end, acting like a diagnostic gauge even if not filling. The gauge with a reinforced hose along with the convenient trigger control made refilling my AC refrigerant so easy. Fit perfectly, no leaking, easy to snap onto the low port, easy to read gauge, and very well made. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This versatile unit offers powerful cooling with 8000 BTU. It also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan, providing multiple solutions for your comfort. Designed for rooms up to 400 square feet, it's perfect for keeping your bedroom or living area cool. Enjoy peaceful, comfortable nights even in the hottest summer months. Take full control with the included remote. Its Follow Me function allows the remote to act as a thermostat, ensuring precise temperature regulation wherever you are. Moving it is a breeze thanks to the built-in casters and convenient side handles. You can easily transport it from one room to another without any struggle. Setting it up is straightforward with the included window kit. Its large, vented airflow outlet efficiently brings cool air into your space, providing immediate relief from the heat. What we like. This unit offers versatile cooling for your living space. It functions as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, all controlled by a remote that acts as a thermostat. If you need a portable cooling solution for rooms up to 400 square feet and want precise temperature control wherever you are in the room, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's working like a dream and the sound doesn't intrude with my recordings. It cools a room 15 foot x 15 very well and even beyond down a hallway. My 500 square foot room would often hit 84 to 87 F during the peak of the day and would float around 78 to 80 at night. After the use, my bedroom, it quickly cooled my 86 F bedroom down to a nice 74. Number 2. AC Pro Certified R134A Recharge Kit. Introducing the AC Pro Certified Recharge Kit, your solution for car air conditioner maintenance. This kit is designed for easy and effective refrigerant replenishment. It's compatible with R134A refrigerant cans featuring self-sealing valve tops. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection every time you use it. The kit includes a reusable R134A hose and a can-tap dispenser for straightforward operation. Its 8-inch length provides ample reach. Featuring a 90-degree coupler, it easily reaches ports in confined spaces. This makes servicing your AC system more convenient than ever. Engineered for compliance, this tool is specifically made to work with R134A cans. Get your car's AC back to optimal performance with confidence. What we like. This kit provides a reliable and reusable solution for AC recharging. Its 90-degree coupler is perfect for accessing ports in tight spaces. If you have R134A cans with self-sealing valves and need a durable, reusable hose with a specialized coupler for hard-to-reach ports, this is the product you should consider. What people say. The Freeon for car air conditioner is a powerful and efficient unit that cools down my car quickly. I love the compact design of the Freeon for car air conditioner, it fits perfectly in my car without taking up too much space. The Freeon for car air conditioner has multiple fan speeds and adjustable vents, allowing me to customize the airflow to my preference. Number 1. AC Pro Easy Chill R134A Refrigerant Gauge and Hose. Introducing the AC Pro Easy Chill, a reusable R134A gauge and hose designed for your car's air conditioning system. It's the perfect tool for keeping your AC running smoothly. This kit features an easy-to-use thumb lever dispenser for effortless operation. The built-in gauge displays the pressure reading, ensuring an accurate fill every time. Struggling with hard-to-reach ports. The 90-degree coupler is specifically designed to fit AC ports in tight positions, making the job much easier. It's compatible with both sealed and self-sealing R134A cans, offering great flexibility for your needs. You can trust it to work with the refrigerant you have on hand. This is a reusable AC recharge kit, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. You can rely on it for multiple uses, saving you money and hassle. Don't let a warm car ruin your day. With the AC Pro Easy Chill, you can easily recharge your car's AC and get back to enjoying a cool, comfortable ride. What we like. This kit simplifies the AC recharge process with its user-friendly design. The thumb lever dispenser and 90-degree coupler make it easy to use, even in tight spots. If you're looking for a straightforward, reusable AC recharge kit that works with both sealed and self-sealing cans and offers a convenient dispensing mechanism, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Freeon for car air conditioner is a great addition to any vehicle, keeping the interior cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to install and doesn't take up too much space. The adjustable fan speed allows you to customize the airflow to your preference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.